quickie little update. Ordered myself a new pair of running shoes. It won't technically get here until, well, it's estimated not to get here till early next week, which is December 5th. Hopefully it'll come a little earlier by the end of week, so we'll see. I'll just have to, you know, rough it with my good old trusty pair, hold pair, for one last week, which is fine. We're not really getting into the, you know, the big miles just yet, which is good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Probably the best news of the day, so we may just get my shoes right before this week's long run. Yes! For some reason, legs feel kind of heavy today. Maybe it's because I'm going up a hill. I don't recall if I mentioned this before, but I'll just say it again. I do enjoy going for walks. I usually like to go for a 30-minute, at least a 30-minute walk. I do like to do the whole 10,000 steps a day. Last ride in these pair. Eating the last of the leftovers. Alright, check it out. Here they are. These are the same type from my previous shoe, which is these guys right here. Gonna retire these because, you know, good old right foot. I don't know if you can see that. It has a nice tear. So they've done me well these last few years. I haven't had a reason to get some new shoes because I've mostly done smaller distance races. So now that we're doing the longer race, I have to get some new shoes. These are support shoes. So if you're like me and your feet overpronate and you have flat feet, these are actually pretty good from my experience. Also, the Brooks Adrenaline GTS are pretty good as well. Those are the two types of shoes that I've used in the past. My first two marathons were with the Brooks Adrenaline shoes, and my Long Beach half marathon was actually in the Cayano 27s. These are the Cayano 29s. So I love the color of it, and luckily this coming Saturday is a 5-mile long run, so perfect time to break them in. My arms are killing me. that completes week 3. As you may have noticed, our mileage started to creep up just a bit during the weekdays with 2 3.5 miles and a 2-miler in between, and our long run pushed up to 5 miles. And with good timing too, as I finally got myself a new pair of running shoes. Time for a fresh pair. With these being straight out of the box, I'm just taking my feet a little bit of time to get used to it. So as I continue wearing them, they'll be more comfortable and form fit to my feet. One thing to keep in mind though is that I'm just your average runner. I'm not an athlete or someone training professionally for something big. I'm just a person running a marathon for a good cause. This is something that I enjoy for myself. I feel like it's kind of like my meditation space when I'm out there. Now with regards to my diet, I don't really restrict myself to what I eat. I enjoy food too much to actually like restrict myself to cut out certain things. I'm just a little bit more mindful now than I was before. And a quick little update on my charity fundraiser. As of December 3rd, we raised over $345 in a little over a week, so which is an amazing start to this charity. If you have a few dollars to spare and want to donate, you can donate to the link right here. I'll put it in the description as well as the pinned comment. Thank you so much to those who have donated thus far. It's an amazing start to this and I'm looking forward to it. Hoping to get at least half before the new year, so fingers crossed we'll get to that point. Thanks for joining me on week 3. Come back for week 4 and see all the fun that we get into. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.